Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty and self-care, bringing you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed choices. Today, we're exploring the GAOY Milky White X Jelly Nude Gel Nail Polish Set, a product that's been generating quite the buzz among nail enthusiasts. Let's start with an overview. The GAOY Milky White X Jelly Nude Gel Nail Polish Set offers 6 stunning sheer gel polishes, each in a 0.25 FL Oz bottle. These shades range from milky white to subtle pinks and oranges, allowing for a variety of translucent to opaque finishes, depending on how many layers you apply. This set is designed for both salon-quality manicures and at-home nail art, giving you the flexibility to achieve a professional look without stepping out of your door. Now let's talk about the experience of using this product. Applying the GAOY gel polish is a breeze. Simply cure each layer under a UV light for about 60 seconds and you're good to go. The polish dries smoothly and evenly, and thanks to its chip-resistant formula, you can expect it to last up to 4 weeks if properly applied with a base and top coat. One of the standout features of this gel polish is its low odor, making it a more pleasant experience compared to traditional nail polishes. In terms of performance, GAOY truly delivers. The polish holds up well under various conditions, whether you're typing all day, doing household chores, or even packing for a trip. The color doesn't chip easily, and the shine remains intact, giving your nails that fresh from the salon look even after a couple of weeks. As with any product, there are pros and cons. The GAOY set scores high for its versatility, low odor, and long-lasting finish. However, the need for a UV light to cure the polish might be a drawback for some, especially if you're new to gel nails and don't already own one. Also, achieving the desired opacity might require multiple layers and some practice in application. When compared to other gel nail polishes on the market, GAOY holds its own quite well. It's a more affordable option without compromising on quality, making it an excellent choice for those who want salon-worthy nails at home. However, if you're looking for a gel polish that doesn't require a UV lamp, you might consider something like the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, which offers a similar long-lasting finish without the need for UV curing. If you're enjoying this review and want to stay updated with the latest in beauty and self-care, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us continue to bring you the content you love. In terms of value for money, the GAOY set is worth every penny, especially considering its durability and the range of looks you can create. The sheer, buildable colors are perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions, and the low odor and non-toxic formula make it a healthier choice for your nails. In conclusion, the GAOY Milky White X Jelly Nude Gel Nail Polish Set is a fantastic option for anyone looking to elevate their nail game at home. It's user-friendly, offers great value, and most importantly, it delivers on its promises. Whether you're a nail art newbie or a seasoned pro, this set is definitely worth adding to your collection. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you're interested in trying out the GAOY Gel Nail Polish Set for yourself, check out the link in the description. And if you've already tried it, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We love hearing from our community.